spent a lot of money building a very elaborate, gorgeous resort-style community building. When CarePredict offered the small little beacon that we could place within the building, and they literally placed those with just a small pin or a little bit of tape, and it was so infrastructurally non-invasive to our community at all. They disappear. In fact, you don't see them in our community because of the placement. The technology that they had behind it was not robbing our bandwidth with the Wi-Fi. We put an extensive Wi-Fi system in our building, spent a lot of money so that we could make sure that we had cutting-edge technology, and it doesn't absorb it, it doesn't labor it, and it's been simple. Their requests were easy to handle. It was probably one of the most flawless installations of cost, time, and energy that I've ever involved myself with.